Hello, welcome to The Visible Agent, the elite growth playbook for real estate professionals. You have to understand that visibility is no longer optional. Published by Agent Elite, copywritten 2025. In a market where visibility is everything and attention is fleeting, most real estate agents are still playing by outdated rules, waiting for the moment of intent, hoping to catch a buyer or seller just as they're ready to move. But by then, it's already too late. The deal is halfway finished, and the buyer already has someone in mind. The seller has already reached out to a different agent. The opportunity is gone before it ever looked like one. Today, real estate decisions don't start with intent. Today's buyers and sellers don't choose an agent based on one search, one post, or one ad. They choose the agent who shows up everywhere they look. And most agents, they're invisible until it's too late. They're and we're taking a different approach. Think about it. The modern real estate agent isn't about chasing leads or waiting for luck like a good lottery ticket. It's about building a system, a predictable, repeatable engine that earns trust, builds presence, and makes you the obvious choice long before a buyer or seller ever raises their hand. We call it becoming a visible agent, and we're about to show you everything you need to become one. Your choice. You want to be the invisible agent or the visible agent? Chapter 1. Visibility. 5,000 words per month plus 1,000 web visitors equals long-term deal flow. Let's break the visibility illusion right now. You don't need to go viral. You simply need to be remembered by the right audience. In real estate, if you don't win the game when somebody's ready to buy or sell a home, that battle, it's won months before, when a prospective client is scrolling, exploring, forming a picture of who's out there and who they trust. If you're not in that picture, you're invisible. And if you're invisible, you're out. Here's the real math behind when it comes to becoming the agent to remember. You need 5,000 words of new content each month. That gets you 1,000 monthly web visits within 12 to 18 months. And those 1,000 visitors, that's where the compounding starts. Remember, 3 to 5% of visitors will convert into leads. 1 to 2% will become active follow ups. That means you can get 30 to 50 new nurture leads every month. Plus, dozens of deals now, not now, but in 6, 12, and even 18 months and beyond. But that pipeline only builds if you're visible. And you're only visible if you show up consistently before anyone raises their hand. Now, 5,000 words a month may sound like a lot, but when you break it down, it's only 3 social comments a day, 1 social post a day, and 1 blog a week. Doable, predictable, powerful. This isn't content marketing. This is visibility as strategy. So you become the name people remember before their decision is ever made. Now, we made it simple for you. Okay. Here's some daily engagement: 100 words. Post once daily on social media networks: Instagram, Facebook, local groups, or Nextdoor. Use your daily post to cover real, practical, easy content like local housing market insights, top 5 moving companies in your area, best HVAC pros or home stagers, list walkthroughs with commentary, property tax tips, new construction updates, Q&A posts to answer questions like, is it still a seller's market? You can also use a mix of videos and written post. Instagram Reels and Facebook Stories expand reach. Hex posts and carousels deepen trust. Comment 3 times daily in Facebook groups, Nextdoor threads, and local Instagram posts, not with, are you buying or selling? But be helpful, non salesy insight. For example, you might offer comments like, we're seeing a surge in 2 bedroom condos under 50K in blank neighborhood. DM me if you want comps. Hey, I'd recommend using this vendor for roof repairs. They're reliable and local. Just saw 3 new listings in this zip code under the average, worth keeping an eye on. That's 3 comments a day times 30 days, 90 touch points of local visibility. Okay. Take a look at the big picture. You're not selling, you're showing up, you're in the conversation even before anyone thinks to call an agent. This content is what builds awareness, trust, and authority. Remember, you're not posting for likes, you're posting to earn mind share, the most valuable asset in your real estate basis. Okay, mind share. We want to consume their minds. Okay, weekly engagement with blogs and SEO magnets, 750 to 1250 words a week. That's it. Create in-depth blog posts. Okay, that's 750 to 1200 words, focused on specific markets. Okay, you can dish out your expertise topics like what 500K buys you in blank city in 2025. Hey, best neighborhoods for families in blank town. 3 local zip codes that are heating up and why. Post each blog post on your website. Email it to your list, repurpose it in a carousel post, an Instagram story, or a video reel to make your content do the work without extra hassle. Keep in mind, you can take this blog post and repurpose it into your daily social post. So you're not creating extra work for yourself. For instance, this post can do triple duty, like we said, builds long tail SEO so that you rank higher in Google, gives you newsletter content without reinventing the wheel. Okay. Establishes you as a local expert, not just a listing pusher. Now, local IDX market pages and interlinking strategy. Your website isn't just for pretty photos. It needs to rank, it needs to do work for you. And when it ranks, not just at the top of funnels, but high in content converting. Okay. We want high intent, right? That means we're not looking for just all the traffic we can get. We want people that come here that are looking for things you offer. Okay. Creating IDX market pages for every city in your or neighborhood or zip code you serve. Do it for all of it. Okay. Create different things like your town real estate, homes for sale in zip code, luxury homes in neighborhood. Then link your blog post back to these pages. Okay. Here's the example using the content we've created earlier, right? Your blog post, 3 zip codes heating up, should also link to these IDX pages within each neighborhood mentioned. And what this is going to do is it's going to create a ranking loop that boosts your visibility through SEO so that you can be found higher in search engines. At the same time, you're driving lead generating traffic straight to your listings. Okay. Repeat traffic, traffic that liked your blog post now clicked and went to your listing. Okay. Higher intent. Now, tack on directory listings, okay? This is the visibility multiplier that most agents ignore, okay? Visibility isn't about posting content and having a great website. It's also about what shows up before someone even clicks a link. When a buyer or seller searches for an agent on Google, Yelp, Bing, Apple Maps, what they see in that instant matters. If your business information is missing, out of date, or inconsistent across directories, here's what happens. You look unprofessional or unreliable, you fall below competitors who manage your listings, you lose trust before you ever even had a chance. Okay? I want you to flip that. When your directory listings are accurate and unified, here is what happens. You appear credible in local searches. Your reviews and contact details build instant trust. Buyers and sellers see you as the obvious local choice. Let me add on to that. You go rank above your competitors. This is the visibility that most agents overlook, but it's the visibility that works around the clock, no post, ads, or blogs required. Managing your directory listings is the invisible advantage that supports everything else you're doing. Without it, even the best content or website can get ignored. Now, here's the visibility math. Let's break it down all of the steps above to see exactly where you'll be when you start to use this super practical, easy to follow system. Acclaimed and managed local presence plus 5,000 of keywords per month. That equals 3 social comments a day, 1 post a day, 1 blog post, okay, a week. That output right there is going to drive more traffic, where in within 12 to 18 months, you will see that your website is getting visits well over 1,000 visits a month. Okay. Which will convert into 25 to 30 organic leads per month. And that's only at a 3% conversion rate. Okay. The mind share with thousands of locals every month, and that compounding trust and awareness and follow through. Add that, and that's how your sphere of influence is going to compound, and you are going to play the long game where people begin coming to you more often than you having to find them. All right. Well, that was chapter 1 of the visibility agent. Come back, stay tuned for chapter 2 and beyond. Thank you. Have a great day.